This will find you when you need it most. Not when you're chasing motivation. Not when everything's going right, but when you're lying in bed staring at the ceiling, wondering how you even got here. When you're worn out from being strong for too long. When the silence feels heavier than the noise. When you're surrounded by people but still feel completely alone. And I know, maybe you haven't said it out loud, but you're tired of the fake smiles. Tired of acting like you're okay. Tired of saying, I'm fine, when you're anything but. Let me say this clearly. You don't have to have it all together. You're allowed to be tired. You're allowed to slow down. You're allowed to not be okay. Because healing isn't loud. Growth isn't always pretty. Sometimes it looks like crying in the shower. Sometimes it looks like getting out of bed when you didn't want to. Sometimes it's just trying again when yesterday broke you. You've made it through things you never thought you would. You've faced endings that nearly shattered you, but you're still here. You're still fighting, and that matters more than you realize. The path forward doesn't require you to be perfect. It just requires you to be present, to take one honest step at a time, even if that step is just breathing right now. Because here's the truth no one talks about. You don't rebuild your life in a day. You do it piece by piece, with courage, patience, and a quiet kind of strength that most people never see. So if you've been waiting for a sign, for a reminder that you're not alone, this is it. This message found you now for a reason. You were meant to hear this, because you're not done. Your story's not over. And the most beautiful parts of your life haven't even happened yet. So please don't quit. Not today. Keep breathing. Keep going. Keep believing that something better is on its way. Because it is. And when it arrives, you'll look back at this moment and realize this was the turning point. If this felt like it spoke to your soul, it probably will help someone else too. Send it to them. Be that light.